Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The final edition of Queen Philippines pageant ended last night as they crowned their winners in a glittering coronation night at the Pacific Grand Ballroom of Waterfront Cebu Hotel and Casino. Queen Philippines Court is Miss Quezon City Francine Garcia, an influencer and a TV personality. She was crowned as Queen Philippines Tourism 2024. Francine Garcia of Quezon City was crowned Queen Philippines Tourism 2024, completing the prestigious Queen Philippines Court, an influencer and a TV personality. Francine brought her unique charm and media savvy skills to the competition, making her a standout candidate for the title. Her ability to connect with people, both on and off the stage, made her a favorite among the audience and judges alike. Francine's advocacy for promoting Philippines tourism and culture was central to her campaign, as she passionately shared her vision of a more vibrant and inclusive tourism industry as diversity of the Philippines to the world. Encouraging both local and international travelers to explore the country's rich heritage. Her reign promises to be dynamic as she leveraged her influence to make a positive impact on the tourism industry while representing the Philippines with grace and pride. Queen Philippines pageant is a brainchild renowned designer Carrie Santiago. Congratulations to all winners and mabuhay!
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!